With this tutorial, I want to show you how to build a control card for a continuous while in your TMake project when you are in control phase with what we call an X bar S chart. X bar means mean or average of data sets that you collect over time, and with them you will compute X bars, and S is like sigma, meaning standard deviation. So the X bar chart will be used to understand if you are in control, statistically speaking, if your process is in control, and the S control chart or sigma control chart will be used to understand if you are stable. When you open the tool, you will find basically cells with two colors. Blue cells are protected, you cannot erase them, but you can see the formula behind the blue cell in the top bar. You cannot change it, of course. White cells, this is where you enter your own data, and this tool comes with pre-filled data to show you an example of control cards. So here you will find on the right, above, on top right, X bar control chart, and here below S chart, or sigma or standard deviation chart. This one is used for control and this one for stability. We will explain this with the control limits. So what you will collect for your control card is a set of points, and you can collect up to 10 points or data each time you want to compute one point on the control chart, and you will calculate, or the tool will calculate for you, the average of your data set, and we will report the average, the mean of your data set here with 1 point. So it's called X bar 1, this first point, and it's made of the mean of this first data set that I collect. So if each day you collect a sample, can be 4 data, 5, 6 or 10, we compute the mean and we plot on this control chart. And of course, you can enter up to 20,000 data sets, so you are not limited really with the control charts. Each time you will do this, we will calculate X bar of your data set and plot it on the control chart. And of course, once we start to have data, here we have 50 X bars, we can compute the average of X bars, X bar mean, and standard deviation of X bars. So 3 times the standard deviation above the mean, upper control limit, 3 times below the mean. And we will say that you are within control if your X bars are within the control limits. These are statistical limits. And if one of these X bars would be above or below the control limit, we will say that you are out of control and it's due to a special cause that you need to investigate and to fix to come back to control. S chart will be the display of standard deviations of your data sets that we will plot on the S chart, and we will calculate for each data set a standard deviation of your data set, like we did a computation of the X bar, and then we will have the average of your standard deviation that we can call S bar, standard deviation of all the standard deviation of your data set, and so we can compute 3 times above the mean for the upper control limit and 3 times below the mean, the lower control limit. And if one of the standard deviation here of your data set is above the control limit, we will say that you are unstable. So this is for control, this is for stability, and this is a display of the sigma of your data sets. Thank you.